Dear students, in this video I will give you some tips and tricks and some a strategy how to score full marks or 95 plus in chemistry paper. As you all know, your chemistry paper is on 11th of the March and you have 6 days gap in between, but for that 6 days I will give you another plan to distribute your chapters in 6 different days so that you can easily complete your revision. But for the meanwhile, as you know that today is 4th of February and by the 17th of February you can complete this entire syllabus, and on 18 your exams are starting from 21, so from 2 days or 3 days before you will study your first paper. And meanwhile, when you prepare from today your chemistry paper chapter wise, as I will tell you along with the weightage of the marks, total weightage as well as section wise weightage I will tell you कि कितने मार्क्स का किस सेक्शन में किस चैप्टर से आता है, तो उस हिसाब से और कितने दिन में आप किस चैप्टर को प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं. इसके बाद एक एक चैप्टर आप जब प्रिपेयर करेंगे उसके बाद हाउ यू विल रिव्यू दैट चैप्टर, दैट ऑल्सो आई विल टेल यू. तो पहले देखते हैं चैप्टर्स आपके कौन कौन से हैं और उससे टोटल कितने नंबर के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. तो देखिए, पहला है फर्स्ट चैप्टर आपका पीरियोडिक प्रॉपर्टीज एंड वेरिएशन, जिसमें से टोटल 10 to 12 मार्क्स का आता है. केमिकल बॉन्डिंग total 6 to 8 marks questions are asked, and I am telling you for the current year, that is 2023-24 paper, I am telling you acid, base and salt 9 to 12 marks questions are asked. Analytical chemistry में 3 to 5 marks. Mole concept and stoichiometry 10 to 12 marks questions are asked. Electrolysis 6 to 8 marks questions are asked. Metallurgy 8 to 10 marks questions are asked. And in inorganic, individual chapter wise, HCl 5 to 7 marks, ammonia 8 to 10 marks, nitric acid 5 to 7 marks, and sulfuric 3 to 5 marks. So in all, if you will calculate, that is 10 to 17, 24, 29, approximately 30 marks with practical chemistry, that is 33 marks. So 30 to 33 marks questions are asked from total inorganic and practical chemistry, and organic is 12 to 15 marks. So you can see the major portion is covered from organic, inorganic, mole concept and periodic properties along with acid, bases and salts. You can also see the chapter wise weightage here I have written. In section A you have chapter 1 3 to 5 marks, chapter 2 2 to 4 marks, chapter 3 4 to 6 marks, chapter 4 1 to 3 marks, 5 also 1 to 2 marks, 6 and 7 2 to 4 marks, 8 9 10 11 that is inorganic 1 to 3 marks or 5 marks. Chapter 12 7 to 10 marks maximum is asked from organic chemistry, that you can see, and practical chemistry is very least asked in first section. And in section B you have 6 to 8 marks from chapter 1, bonding 3 to 5 marks, acid base salt and analytical chemistry you can see 5 to 9 marks. Then fifth electrolysis 9 to 12 marks, major portion is asked from electrolysis in section B. 3 to 5 marks metallurgy. Then for inorganic you can see individual chapter wise I have written, and if we'll summarize it, that is 12 15 to approximately 25 marks, that is mostly the portion of inorganic chemistry is asked in section B as compared to section A. Okay, so it's 33 marks, out of which 33 marks 25 marks questions are asked in section B. 4 to 6 marks from organic chemistry in section B, and 1 to 3 marks from practical chemistry. Now these are the distribution of marks to tell you just the important chapters marks wise. But now how you will prepare, अब आपको कैसे करना है. पहले दिन, आज एक दिन है 4 फरवरी, सो यू विल स्टार्ट पीरियोडिक प्रॉपर्टीज. जस्ट रिव्यू द पीरियोडिक प्रॉपर्टीज. अगर आपके पास नोट्स हैं तो नोट से पढ़ लीजिए, और इसमें सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है आपका periodic trends, that is which property increases or decreases across a period and down a group with exceptions, उसको आपको पढ़ना है. अब ये चैप्टर, एक चैप्टर आपको रिवाइज करना है क्योंकि आपके पास और भी सब्जेक्ट्स हैं. सिर्फ इस चैप्टर को रिवाइज करिए, और मैं डेली आपके लिए चैप्टर वाइज बायो का भी और केमिस्ट्री का भी, क्योंकि मैंने बायो का भी प्लान आपको दिया है प्रीवियस वीडियो में, बायो केमिस्ट्री दोनों का चैप्टर वाइज एमसीक्यूज वर्कशीट के रूप में मैं आपको प्रोवाइड करूंगी शॉर्ट्स में, और उसका लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन दे दूंगी विद द आंसर्स. तो जितने भी आप चैप्टर रिव्यू अच्छे से करने के बाद उसको आप सॉल्व करिए, और फिर अपने आंसर्स को चेक करिए, देन यू विल सी दैट हाउ मच यू हैव लर्न चैप्टर वाइज. सो 4th February you do periodic properties. On 5th do chemical bonding. 6th acid base salt. 7th analytical chemistry. 8 and 9, because mole concept is slightly bigger, divide it into 2 parts and solve the numericals. So 2 days you will require for this. Electrolysis 1 day, metallurgy 1 day, that is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, 10 February, 11 February, 12, 13, 14 and 15 February, and along with that practical chemistry, and 16 February along with practical chemistry on 17 February. Now till 17 February you will go one by one chapter wise, just review with the notes and the important points that you have to review in that. Okay, so and I will give you the worksheets for chapter wise online with the answers, so that after reviewing the chapter, detailing chapter, you can easily solve the worksheets and check your answers at how much you have learned. And because you have 6 days break in your chemistry exam, that is on 11, it is there. Before that you have 6 days, approximately 6.5 days. So for that also I will give you a plan that on which day how much you have to revise and how you have to solve the questions, so that you can gain maximum marks, because you are getting so much gap. So you have to utilize this opportunity to get as many marks as you can, and even you can score full marks in chemistry. Okay, so thank you, best of luck for your exams, and start preparing from today for your upcoming board exams. Thank you.